So Apple's September launching window is right at the corner, and we already know what this event is going to be all about. We might very soon get to see the next generation of the iPhone, and this time, it's surely going to be a huge upgrade compared to its predecessor. The new iPhone 13 is likely to come up with a whole new Bionic Chipset, higher refresh rate, and better camera quality. Want to find out what's coming more with this smartphone? Then watch till the end, as in this video, we will be talking about all the specs Apple might be bringing up with their most premium flagship, the iPhone 13. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The biggest upgrade for this year's iPhone is going to be the camera section, which is likely to get a brand new camera sensor. Unfortunately, only the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max will get this new sensor, whereas the iPhone 13 will be featuring the same camera sensor from iPhone 12 and 11. Nevertheless, this new sensor is expected to capture at least 30% more light than the iPhone 12, making your click picture livelier than ever. Besides, the iPhone 13 will have slightly better stabilization compared to its predecessors. The Pro models will also have a wider aperture and autofocus technology that you can use to click detailed macro shots as well. In addition, Apple might also provide an astrophotography mode for excellent low-light capture. This will allow you to take shots of skies with much more detail. So, if you're fond of taking night shots, Apple's next smartphone is sure to impress you with its camera quality. We might also see a new selfie video capturing mode that blurs the background, keeping you in the center of focus. Another major upgrade to the iPhone 13 is likely to be the new 120Hz OLED display panel with always-on technology. Though we have seen the always-on display on Android and other devices, iOS users were expecting this feature on iPhones for quite some time now. Talking about the 120Hz display, Apple is likely to offer variable refresh rate technology that will offer different refresh rates on your phone based on the contents. The main issue for iPhone users was the lower battery capacity compared to other smartphones. And finally, Apple is going to upgrade its battery capacity, as the iPhone 13 Pro is expected to come up with a 4352 mAh battery, which is 18% bigger than the iPhone 12. Besides, as the new phone will have a whole new 5nm A15 Bionic Chipset, we are hoping that it would consume less battery, offering more juice. Apart from these feature upgrades, the iPhone 13 is also expected to have improved Face ID scanning that can scan up to 1.8 times faster and will be able to detect your face even with the mask or sunglasses on. This will certainly come in handy in this pandemic situation. Apple is also rumored to provide a whole new satellite connectivity technology that will let you connect with others even if you're out of cellular coverage. This new feature can be a lifesaver in different circumstances via emergency SOS calls. So overall, Apple seems to be fully prepared before launching the next generation of their most premium handset, the iPhone 13. What do you think of these upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.